Identify if your cold is due to wind cold. According to traditional Chinese medicine, the common cold can fall under several designations, but the most common type experienced is the wind cold. The goal of treatment for wind cold is to shorten the duration of the disease and to provide immediate relief from the symptoms. Drink ginger tea. Ginger tea is thought to help expel the evil, or pathogens that cause cold. The ginger is also said to promote a healthy appetite which is needed for speedy recovery. Take Expellin extract, Chuan Xiong Cha Tiao Wan. Expellin extract is thought to rid the body of wind cold. It also serves to relieve headaches caused by the invasion of exogenous wind, the type of headache that is experienced during rhinitis and sinusitis. This remedy is usually used to treat the early stages of common cold caused by wind cold. Look into ginseng and menthol extract, Renshen Bai Du Wan. Ginseng and menthol extract is used to expel or eradicate pathogens coming from the wind. This can also help alleviate the stress of cold and damp conditions due to the imbalance of qi. Try blue dragon extract, Shaoqing Long Tang Wan. Blue dragon extract is used to repel harmful fluid from an external cold. It is used to treat fever and the chills through sweating, which can help expel diffused phlegm. The use of this concoction can expel or eradicate exogenous pathogen patterns by allowing the body to release cold through sweating. Use additional herbs to alleviate symptoms. Treatment of this type is centered on the release of the pathogen through sweating, so other sweat-inducing herbs can be beneficial. Chinese medicine experts recommend cinnamon decoction and cnidium anti formula, as well as the minor blue dragon decoction to treat colds caused by wind cold. Determine if your cold is caused by wind heat. Although most colds are caused by wind cold, sometimes wind heat proves to be the culprit. In this case, the treatment aims to help the body return to its balanced state, which means that heat inside the body should be expelled. Treatment options include the use of cold and flu formula, wind heat clearing, and lung heat clearing. Drink chrysanthemum and peppermint tea. Prepare a chrysanthemum and peppermint tea to relieve headache, fever, nasal congestion, and sore throat. This tea works to cool down the body and expel the wind heat. Take Genmai Qing. Genmai Qing can dispel or reduce the symptoms caused of cold caused by wind heat. The use of this decoction can also reduce the risk of inflammation. Additionally, it can get rid of fever caused by wind heat and provide heat clearing by expelling the presence of the pathogens caused by fire toxin. Try Yin Chiao Chi Tu Pin, Yin Chao Jidu. This decoction can dispel or eliminate symptoms of the common cold caused by wind heat occurring in the spring or summer. It can also be used to treat the early stages of fever. Try Isidis root granule, Ban Lan Zhen. Isidis root granule is able to expel toxic heat by lessening its presence in the blood. It has antibiotic properties and is able to relieve sore throats and reduce swelling. Get acupuncture. Acupuncture is another means of treating the common cold using traditional Chinese medicine. In this method of healing, certain points are stimulated with needles in order to encourage blood flow to the head, neck, chest, and shoulder areas. Acupuncture works by releasing endorphins and natural steroids like cortisol to manage the pain and discomfort caused by the common cold. Massage yourself. If you cannot get acupuncture treatment from a specialist, there are some massage techniques you can apply to yourself at home. These techniques trigger some of the same pressure points as acupuncture, albeit less effectively. Try involving a Qigong master. This person is capable of conveying energy throughout the body of an afflicted individual by means of meridians, by patting the patient, or by his own bare palms. They can transmit Qi energy to non-living objects and solutions which can be touched or taken by the patient in order for them to absorb the Qi energy and restore balance within the body system. Investigate other remedies with the help of a traditional Chinese medicine practitioner. Expert practitioners of Chinese medicine can employ a variety of other methods to help alleviate your cold. Other methods used to treat common cold include moxibustion or the burning of mugwort, and applying the remains to the skin to promote healing. Use diet to help treat colds. Dietary treatment for colds should first start with determining whether the cold is caused by wind heat or wine cold. To determine the source of your cold, eat ginger. Avoid negative emotions to heal. Your emotions play a key role in your overall health. Traditional Chinese medicine indicates that there are 7 types of emotions that must be monitored and reduced, because they are factors that can aggravate an illness. These emotions include anxiety, anger, fear, fright, overjoy, overthinking, and sadness. Exercise to increase health. The type of exercise beneficial to reducing colds is mostly centered on doing slow, rhythmic exercises that require you to be mindful of your breathing. Exercise should focus on incorporating all the parts of the body,